Apply 2 coats of primer S, which is slightly sandy. It should be diluted correctly. Leave it to dry for 4 to 5 hours between each coat. Spread a coat of Cocciopesto with a stainless steel float and cover the entire surface, leaving some marks of the trowel on the surface, and they will stand out when you give the finished shine to the surface. After 24 hours, spread a second coat of Cocciopesto and leave it for a few minutes. And then go back over the surface with a clean stainless steel float and obtain the shiny smooth finish.